Hey guys, this is Antwan Shirley, your local Tampa Bay investor and realtor. I actually wanted to get back on here and talk to you guys. Last topic, we actually spoke about the 6 steps to becoming a homeowner, and it was amazing. Now, a lot of the feedback that I got is people wanted to know exactly how do I do the first step. Now, the first step, obviously you're wondering, what is the first step? I would definitely encourage you to watch the video. The first step is actually about saving money. And as simple as it sounds, it actually is very difficult for a lot of people. Now, for myself as an investor, I use a bunch of different strategies. For those individuals that are having a hard time with saving money, whether you're saving for a car, saving for a down payment on a home, prefer you save for the down payment on a home and actually contact me. But regardless of what you're saving for, here's 5 tips for you. 5 ways that you can actually save money. 1, stop being a consumer and become a producer. Most of our society is consume, consume, consume. Like myself, I sometimes fall in the trap of buying the brand new iPhone. Do I need a new iPhone? Absolutely not. I have the newest iPhone, but I'll probably buy the next one that comes out. And it's terrible. We need to stop being consumers. Start being a producer. What are you able to do? Do you have any skills? Can you do logos? Can you create shirts? Can you draw? What can you produce and what can you start to sell instead of being a consumer? Figure that part out. 2, stop going out to eat. Stay home. Start cooking. When you start to actually go grocery shopping instead of going out to eat all the time, create a list and write down specifically what you need. So when you go to the grocery store, you only buy what you need and not what you don't need. So yes, put down the donuts and put down the cookies. I don't need these. 3, if you're gonna use a credit card, make sure to pay it on time. Now, a lot of people, they use their credit cards. We live in a credit society, and it's no problem to use a credit card if you know how to master utilizing your credit card and leveraging your credit. Say that you have a credit card, it has a $100 balance. Now, your interest rate on that credit card is 30%. That's super high, guys. Now, you have this credit card, you're making late payments, or better yet, you're not paying off that balance each month. You're paying way more than what you're even utilizing. Don't be that person, guys. Start utilizing that credit card and leveraging that credit card and paying it back immediately so you don't have any high interest rates that you have to pay back. That's money, extra money going out of your pocket every single month. 4, keep a chart of what you're actually spending. Guys, I personally have a book that is specialized and fit just for my finances, my income and my outcome. I want to know what I'm spending each month. Now, if you're not paying attention to that and you're spending $3,000 a month here, $2,000 a month here, $1,000 a month here, you'll never ever know how much is going out and how much is coming in. 5, if you don't use it, get rid of it. A lot of people have Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, this place, that place, so many of them now. Guys, you don't need that many. Let's be honest. You start spending $10 a month here, $20 a month there, $30 a month here, and which one do you actually watch? Just Netflix, but you have Hulu, Amazon, and X, Y, and Z. I would see about cutting those back. Choose one that you actually like and just stay on that. And don't forget, you also have a TV that you're paying a cable bill on. Figure that part out. You don't need all these things, guys. Be realistic with yourself. Just take the Netflix or just take the Hulu and just stick with that one. Get a subscription, get a lowest subscription as possible. If you're a student, you get discounts, and figure out what discounts you can get as well when it comes to those types of accounts. Guys, you don't need all those subscriptions. Go through your iPhone, go through your catalog and see what am I subscribed to, what am I spending my money towards. Myself, I actually had to go into my iPhone and see, hey, I got Apple Music, I got this platform, that platform, SoundCloud. There's so many platforms now that we all utilize, and I literally cut a lot of those out, and now I only have Apple Music. Guys, just take a look and figure that out. Guys, I hope these 5 tips were helpful. I hope that these 5 tips can get you closer to your goal, and I truly hope that you guys start saving the correct way. Now, once you have that nice down payment for your home, always know that you can contact me, be email or by my phone. Contact me if you have any questions, and please guys, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the video.